I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Honda CR-V front hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the vehicle. This lever is usually found on the driver's side, often positioned near the lower left dashboard area. It typically features a small icon resembling a car with its hood open. A firm pull on this lever will disengage the first latch, preparing the hood for its full opening. You should hear a slight click from the front of the car. Now that you have pulled the interior lever, proceed to the front of your Honda CR-V. Gently lift the hood a few inches to create a small gap. Reach your hand into this opening, feeling for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent accidental hood opening while driving. It is usually positioned near the center or slightly to one side, just above the grille. You will need to manipulate this latch to fully release the hood. Once you have located the secondary latch, you will either push it to the side or pull it upwards, depending on your specific CR-V model. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now fully lift the hood. Use both hands to raise it smoothly and completely. Look for the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. This rod will securely hold the hood in its open position. Carefully insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole or slot in the engine bay. Make sure the hood is stable and securely supported before you begin any work. When you are finished, unclip the prop rod and return it to its storage clip. Gently lower the hood until it is about 12 to 18 inches from closing. Then, let it drop to engage both latches securely. Do not push down forcefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.